Hello world, it's Lee Kelson coming to you live from FinTech Week in Hong Kong, coming towards the end of day 2, and I'm here with Takeshi Kito, who is from Crowd Realty. How are you, Takeshi?
Yes, good.
And so you've been speaking here today?
Yes, we gave a speech, and it's about FinTech in Japan.
Right. And so tell us about FinTech in Japan. What's happening in FinTech in Japan?
A lot of things happening now, and FinTech and the crypto as well.
Right.
And our business is based on capital markets, and we are providing equity crowdfunding platform.
Right.
Yeah, and actually the regulation just started, so there are around 5 platforms in Japan now, but it's getting bigger, I think.
Right.
Yeah.
And so, what sort of technologies are you seeing emerge out of the Japanese market? Is there a particular focus around the tech that's happening there around financial services?
In the FinTech area?
Yeah.
Yes, a lot of technology is used in FinTech in Japan, like AI. Here we talk about AI later.
We'll have a chat about AI in a minute.
And of course blockchain and Open API and
And so this Crowd Realty is your company?
Yes, it's my own company, and I'm a founder and CEO of the Crowd Realty.
Right. And how long have you been going for?
4 years.
Right.
But actually it takes 2 years to get a license.
Okay.
And then I started this business December 2016.
Right. And is this a digital currency business, or is it?
Not yet. It's based on fiat currency.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And so tell us about the business and the sort of customers that you have.
Yes, we have 2 types of customers. First one is the issuers who need the capital fund to develop a little bit of real estate in Japan and also other countries.
Right.
And the other side is the investors who invest in real estate related projects.
Right. So it's sort of like a marketplace matching investors with property developers.
Exactly. Peer-to-peer marketplace.
Peer-to-peer marketplace, okay. And so have you found challenges in building that double-sided marketplace?
Yes, it's a little bit tough to develop a double-sided marketplace, but it's it was challenging, I think.
Yeah, so typically in a double-sided marketplace, you've either got too many investors and not enough property developers, or too many property developers, not enough investors.
Yeah, so the balance is key.
Yeah. And how are you going with that balance now? Are you starting to gain some momentum?
Yes. So we are conducting kind of marketing with both sides simultaneously. Yeah. And yes, but it's kind of a prototype now.
It's a challenge.
It's a challenge, yeah.
Yeah. And so are you targeting the large property developers, or is it just the small sort of mum and pop type property developers?
Started with small one, but in the future we deal with more big or large properties as well. Right. And of course, we are trying to expand the business to other countries, and we have a subsidiary in Estonia, and in the future in Hong Kong or other Asian countries.
Right. Yeah. And so, if somebody's a property developer, they can come onto your marketplace and say, to put their property submission of what they're designing, and then the investors can go and look at which ones they potentially want to invest in. Is that how it works?
Yeah, exactly. So we issue the securities of these kind of properties, and then investors can choose which securities or which project good for them.
Right.
Yeah.
And do you have a lot of competition in that space? Is there other companies that are emerging around that space?
In Japan, competition is not hard now because regulation is a little bit strict and tricky.
Right.
So few players in this area in Japan.
Right. So you said it took you 2 years to get the license.
Yes, it's 2 years license, and this business is based on real estate and finance. So we have to care about two ministries. Which first one is a financial services agency, who is regulating in financial area, and the other one is Ministry of Land. They are so regulating real estate.
So a couple of government departments to navigate and to deal with.
Yeah, it's so complicated.
Okay, so Takeshi, thanks for joining us. If people want to get in touch with you, or have you got your website, Crowd Realty?
Yes, so you can find our website on type in Crowd Realty.
Crowdrealty.com. Crowdrealty.com. Okay, and thanks for watching. Keep watching for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel down below there, and we'll be coming back with more live from FinTech Week in Hong Kong.